Hello guys, welcome to SLA tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn about output function in Python. In Python, print function is used as output function. The print function prints the specified text or value on the screen. Whatever the text we write inside the single quotes or double quotes in print function will get it as output on the screen. We can use this print function in many types. First, we'll see how to print the text in Python IDE. I'll write print of in double quotes hello world, then press enter. We'll get the output as hello world. Here we can observe that whatever the text we write inside the double quotes, we'll get it as output. Next, print two lines using single print function. If we want to print the two lines, we need to use two print functions, but by using /n, we can print two lines by using single print function. We'll see print of in single quotes welcome to SLA /n tutorials, then press enter. We'll get the output as welcome to SLA and tutorials in two different lines. Next, option keyword argument SEP. This keyword is used to separate the text whenever the comma is there. First, we'll see here print of welcome comma to comma SLA comma tutorials. Here I did not use SCP keyword, so we'll get the output as welcome to SLA tutorials. In second, print of welcome comma to comma SLA comma tutorials comma. Here I am using separate keyword SCP is equal. I want to separate this text in different lines, so I am using here /n. Then we'll get the output as welcome to SLA tutorials in different lines. Next, print of welcome comma to comma SLA comma tutorials comma SCP is equal. Here I am using dash to separate the text at commas. Welcome comma then we'll get the output as welcome dash to dash SLA dash tutorials. We'll see in the Python IDE. First, print of welcome comma to comma SLA comma tutorials. Press enter. We'll get the output as welcome to SLA tutorials. Next, print of welcome comma to comma SLA comma tutorials comma SCP keyword is equal to /n. Then press enter. We'll get the output as welcome to SLA tutorials in different lines. Next, we'll see print of welcome comma to comma SLA comma tutorials comma SCP keyword. Here I am using dash to separate the text at commas. Press enter. We'll get the output as welcome dash to dash SLA dash tutorials. Whatever the symbol we use in separate keyword, it will divide the output at commas. Next, using keyword argument end keyword. This end keyword is allowed to append new string after the last output value. For example, first we'll write print function print of welcome comma end. Next, I will write another print function print of in single quotes to SLA tutorials. If we do not use end keyword in first print function, we'll get the output as welcome in one line, in another line to SLA tutorials. But here we use end keyword. That's why we'll get the output as welcome to SLA tutorials. We'll see in Python IDE. Print of welcome comma end keyword is equal to in double quotes. Here I will take it as space. Next, press enter. Here direct I got the output welcome, because in Python IDLE shell code will execute single line only. Here if we take print of tutorials to SLA tutorials, we got the output as to SLA tutorials. So Python will execute only single line in shell. So I will take a new file and write the code inside this file. Print of welcome comma end keyword space enter print in quotes SL to SLA tutorials. Next, run the program. To run the program, we need to save this file. Here I am saving the file. Source must be saved. OK to save. OK. In desktop, I am saving this file as hello. Here I got the output as welcome to SLA tutorials in single line. Next, using format specifiers. For example, I will take a is equal to 15, b is equal to 3.9. In print function, in double quotes, percentile d is for integer, is an integer, and percentile f is for float, is a float. In out of the double quotes, percentile of a comma b, then we'll get the output as in percentile d place a value will come, in percentile f place b value will come. Output as 15 is an integer and 3.9 is a float. We'll see in Python IDE. Here I am creating a new file. A is equal to 15, b is equal to 3.9, print in double quotes percentile d is an integer and percentile f is a float. Full stop. Outside the double quotes, percentile of a comma b variable names. Run the program. To run this program, we need to save the program. I am saving this file as format. Here I got the output as 15 is an integer and 3.9 is a float. Next, without using format specifiers. Without using this format specifiers also, we can get the same output. For example, if I take a is equal to 10, b is equal to 2.6, print of a comma in double quotes is an integer and space comma b comma in double quotes space is a float, full stop. Then we'll get the output as 10 is an integer and b is a float. Here a is not inside the double quotes or single quotes. That's why the value of a is printed. If there is a text inside the double quotes or single quotes, we'll get it as same in output. Here we'll see in Python IDE a is equal to 10, b is equal to 2.6. Print a comma in single quotes is an integer and space comma b comma in double quotes is a float. Run this program. To run this program, we need to save the file. I'm saving this file as 6. I got the output as 10 is an integer and 2.6 is a float. This is the output function and its types. If you like the video, please click on like button and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.